Guys, welcome to SolutionsRoom, the stop to every solution. Today's video will be mainly on tomatoes and how to make this delicious juice which has many benefits, including our favorite one, weight loss. From your skin to your heart, immune system and entire body benefits from tomato juice, especially if it's the first thing you consume in the mornings. That's because tomatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes are often included in a weight loss plan. They are great at purifying your body and getting rid of excess liquids as well as toxins that make you feel swollen, heavy and round. Not just that, tomatoes also are very low in calories. If you drink it in the mornings, it helps to activate your metabolism, which makes you burn more fat. Yep, that's right. Tomato juice helps you fight constipation too. Just with a glass of tomato juice every day, it will stimulate your digestive system. Thanks to the enzymes and minerals in tomatoes, it can help reduce bad cholesterol while stimulating blood circulation and keeping blood clots from forming in your body. It will strengthen your immune system and boost the chances of preventing infections, flu and colds. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin A, C, B, D and K, all needed for a healthy immune system. Now, drinking a glass of tomato juice is just like a beauty treatment. This is due to the lycopene in tomatoes. Lycopene helps to fight off free radicals, which are elements leading to aging and wrinkles. You will need 1 cup of freshly blended tomato juice, half a lime or lemon, and a pinch of black salt. Just add your tomato juice, your lime or lemon juice, whatever you're using, and a pinch of salt all together. Give it a good mix and drink it up. Remember guys, have a glass every morning to get all the benefits out of it. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.